Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Orange Mallet. Today we will be unboxing the new Apple Watch 6. In standard fashion, let's start with a look around the box. Apple always has very clean packaging. They maintain a clean and premium feel. It definitely makes you feel like you're opening something special. On the back we have the opening tabs and model information, box contents, disclaimers, and other info. Now to open the box, lift the small tab on the left and then the larger tab. Repeat this process on the right. Fold the next layer down and you start to see the background that makes you more excited to start using your watch. Then we are greeted by the graphic of the Apple Watch letting you know what's in the box. This level of thinking not many manufacturers take, but details like this make you appreciate the product just a bit more. Now turning to the back, we see the tabs on the left and right. Peel each tab back. Each one is a semi-sticky tab that folds to the sides. And voila! Very nicely organized packaging. We have our Apple Watch to the left and its protective covering. This covering is a semi-rigid felt plastic material shaped to the watch. Let's put this aside for now and look at the rest of the contents first. In this sleeve, there are quick setup instructions, which I will put on the screen for you to pause and read if you like. Here is the other side. And the second sheet just contains all the fine print. Alright, let's put these back in the sleeve. Set that aside, and the last thing in this box is just the charger. Now note, there is no wall adapter. Apple says this is to reduce waste, assuming that everybody has a wall charger. Now, moving on to the last box. This contains the new Solo Loop Band. And again, let's take a quick look around the box. The left side has the size of the watch and the Solo Loop. The right reminds me that I'm single, and the top and the bottom are as empty as my social life. On the left side, there's a tab to pull which allows access to open the box. Pull and relish in that perfect Apple engineered peel. Open said box. Pull the tab to reveal the Solo Loop. Flip up the top to show the installation instructions. Basically slide until it clicks. And flip down the next layer to reveal the Solo Loop Band and instructions on how to change the watch face. Lastly, pull the tab on the right side under the band and pull up to release the loop band from its prison. This is almost as satisfying as the plastic bit from before. Who thinks of this stuff? It's genius. Now let's look at the band. They size you in the store, or if you're worried about catching the coronavirus and order online, they have a printout for you to use to measure what your size would be. I opted for the silicone band because I'm fairly active and wanted a watch band that was easy to clean, though I'm concerned about how long this will last. We'll just have to see. Now, the pièce de résistance, the watch. I'll give you guys the all around. The right side has 2 buttons and the mic. The back has a new and improved sensor, so Apple can know even more about us, and either prove or disprove that masks deprive you of oxygen. The top and bottom have the slots for the band, and the left side has the outlet for expelling any water. Now, we'll take the loop and attach it to the Apple Watch. While you watch me struggle, please take a second to like and comment if you have any questions or recommendations for me. And that's it. All that's left is to slip it onto your wrist. Now I chose a slightly larger band, so it is a bit higher up on my arm. I type a lot, so I didn't want anything that would go near my wrists because it will either hit my keyboard or my desk. And overall, the watch is lighter than I thought. I can barely even recognize it's there most of the time. And the silicone band is comfy and doesn't feel like it's choking the life out of my wrist. Well, that's all I have for you right now. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you'd like for me to do a review. And again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.